Hello friends, in this lesson we will focus on a specific topic. I will show you how to add an element to the specific index in a list. In Python programming, we use the insert method to do this. This method, insert method, allows us to place a value at any position in the list. For example, I want to add at the position 1, to index 1, the value 15, for example. So what I need to do, H and then I will use insert method. The first, I put index number and then value. You see, it appears, index and object. So I run it. You see, 32 run right now, and I right click and run. You see updated list. What I did, I put at position 1, here it starts with index 0, at position 1 here after 10. So what I put, 15. You see 10, 15, and then insert method shifts the other elements to the right. You see, it shifts the other element to the right after 15. So in this way, we can insert any value wherever we want in the list. Super. See you in the next lesson.